Hello and welcome to our reindeer quiz. It is a multiple choice quiz. Please feel free to play along at home. Pop your scores in the comment section once you've got them. And it is all just for fun, so try not to Google the answers. And yeah, I look forward to seeing how everybody did. Enjoy.
Question 1. What do you call a group of reindeer? Is it A, a colony, B, a herd, C, a jingle, or D, a bauble? The answer is indeed B. The collective noun for reindeer is a herd. Question 2. What do reindeer eat? Is it A, mince pies, B, meat, C, plant matter, or D, cranberry sauce? The answer is indeed C. Reindeer are herbivores and subsist on a diet of plant matter, mostly of lichens. Question 3. For how long are reindeer pregnant? Is it A, 7.5 months, B, 9.8 months, C, 7.4 years, or D, 3 months? The correct answer is A. The gestation period for a reindeer is 7.5 months. Question 4. Much like Rudolph, some reindeer actually do have red noses. But why is this? Is it A, they have a cluster of blood vessels inside their noses for warming air? B, it is used for attracting a mate? C, because they've been telling lies? Or D, because of social distancing? Rudolph didn't want to join in with reindeer games for medical concerns. The answer is indeed A. Inside of the noses of reindeer, there are clusters of blood vessels which warm the air as it is inhaled. Question 5. What sex were Santa's reindeer? A, male, B, female, C, a combination of both, or D, watermelons? The answer is indeed B. According to reindeer biology, they largely lose their antlers in the wintertime in the case of males, whereas adult females retain their antlers right up until the summertime. The reindeer is the only species of deer where both male and female have antlers. But considering Christmas is in the wintertime, as per the areas reindeer live, then Santa's reindeer would indeed be female if they were of adult age. Question 6. According to data from San Diego Zoo, how fast can a reindeer run? Is it A, 100 miles an hour, B, 30 miles an hour, C, 80 miles an hour, or D, 50 miles an hour? The correct answer is D. According to a study from San Diego Zoo, the top speed of a reindeer is up to 50 miles an hour. Question 7. Reindeers are capable of seeing waves of light that we humans are not. But which waves of light can they see which are invisible to us? Is it A, ultraviolet, B, gamma radiation, C, infrared, or D, radio waves? The correct answer is A. Reindeer are able to see ultraviolet light. It is believed that this is due to things in their environment which reflect or absorb ultraviolet. They often live in snowy areas. Snow is very reflective of ultraviolet radiation. whereas urine from potentially predatory animals and their favourite food, lichens, are both very absorbent of ultraviolet radiation, so they'll be able to see the contrast in reflected light against absorbed light. Question 8. What is a reindeer's strongest sense? Is it A, touch, B, taste, C, sight, or D, smell? The correct answer is D. Reindeers have an incredible sense of smell, far exceeding the sense of smell of a human. However, their sense of sight is not as strong as ours, aside from the aforementioned ability to see ultraviolet light. Question 9. Only one of these statements is true, but which one is it? A. When translated, reindeer means deer deer. B. Reindeer are the largest deer species. C. A female reindeer is called a doe. Or D. All reindeer have Scottish accents. The correct answer is A. When translated, reindeer means deer deer. The word rein actually comes from a Nordic word, hrein, which meant deer. The reasons the others are not correct is for B, reindeer are not the largest species of deer, as that belongs to the moose. A female reindeer is not called a doe, unlike most deer species, where the naming convention buck and doe are used. For reindeer, they actually used bull and cow. And as for D, reindeer do not have Scottish accents. The accent of all reindeers is, Welsh. And finally, question 10. What do you call a reindeer with no eyes? Is it A, no idea, B, Bob, C, Janet, or D, Yanto? The answer I was looking for was A, no idea. However, considering this one ended off on a joke, you can just go ahead and give yourself the point, no matter which answer you went for, because I don't know the name of every reindeer.
And that does sadly bring it to the end. I hope you had fun, and please do remember to leave your scores in the comment section. Please do share, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in 2 days for a little musical number. Aside from that, thank you very much for watching once again, and Merry Christmas.